If you need to mention someone in Evernote, the process is quick, simple, and really useful when you're collaborating inside a shared note. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can tag the right person, send the right notification, and keep everything organized inside your note. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and make sure you are inside a shared note. This is important because mentions only work in notes that other people already have access to. If the note is not shared, the person you want to mention may not appear in the suggestions later on. Once your shared note is open, click in the exact spot where you want to add the mention. This could be at the beginning of a sentence, in the middle of a message, or even on a new line if you want to leave a clear note for the other person. Now, on your keyboard, type the @ symbol, which is the @ sign. As soon as you type it, Evernote will start preparing the mention field so you can search for the person you want to tag. Next, begin typing the person's name or email address. Evernote will usually show matching suggestions as you type. Take your time here and look carefully through the list, especially if you work with multiple people or have contacts with similar names. When you see the correct person in the suggestions, click their name to select them. This links the mention directly to that person, so Evernote knows exactly who should be notified. After that, continue typing the rest of your message. You can explain what you need, ask a question, leave a reminder, or add any context that helps the other person understand what you're referring to. The mention will stay in the note as part of your message, making it easy to keep collaboration clear and organized. Once your message is complete, save the note. In most cases, Evernote will handle this automatically, but make sure the note is updated so your mention is fully recorded. If notifications are enabled and the person has access to the shared note, they should receive a notification about the mention. And that's really all there is to it. You've now mentioned someone in Evernote inside a shared note, which is a great way to collaborate, assign attention, or quickly bring someone into the conversation without sending a separate message. Here's a very important tip to remember. You can only mention people who already have access to the shared note. So if the person does not show up in the suggestions, the solution is to share the note with them first. Once they have access, go back, type at that again, and their name should appear. This feature is especially helpful for team notes, project planning, meeting summaries, and shared task lists. Instead of switching between apps or sending extra emails, you can keep the conversation right inside Evernote where the work is already happening. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.